I just finished bathing. Yes, 14th of September 2020. Kalinago, Salibia. Putting all this demon possessing my surrounding as usual. But this prayer I give it that one next door to me is doing construction work. Suddenly a house that's built already, people living in it. That's one of his their mind games. Suddenly have somebody coming there and doing construction work, cement, kind of thing. Disturbing me, knocking and things. I'm looking. He's bent down. Let me see him lift up. I tell you, it's always where I live in. He either come and do some kind of construction work or some kind of disturbing me loud music. He was knocking there a while ago, just knocking in the face. I went to rest a while ago, I couldn't sleep, and he wake me up. The man you seen on the ladder there woke me up knocking. Construction work he doing there. And the house people living in and it's repaired already. But I'm knocking them. Another thing I noticed is that house across there. I don't usually see it too much at White House because I bathing right there. Up to now, he don't put the water back on. Up to now, he hasn't cut the grass. And he hasn't build a bathroom for me to bathe outside. I have to be bathing in at risk all the time. That man they call Mark Thomas in Kalinago. His wife told me on Monday he would check it. I don't think so. I'm sure if I go there, he'll be there.